Want to prosecute?
Yep.
All right.
Go to jail.
Good. I love it. He's going to jail. So.
Probably got shot in the wreck.
$1 piece? So $2. All right.
No, it would be $1.
Oh.
On June 25, 2025, a grocery store shoplifting raised the question the Supreme Court left open in Atwater versus Lago Vista, whether a lawful arrest is always a wise one. Atwater holds that even a fine-only offense supports full custodial arrest. It does not hold that every such arrest is sound policy.
Hold up, sir. Need to talk to you. Camouflage shorts, black shirt, blue hat. He's not stopping. I said stop. Keep your hands out of your pants. Against the wall. Against the wall. You move, I'll put you in that wall. You hear me? You're being detained right now.
What?
I'll tell you in just a second. Century's 1026.
Here?
No. Grocery store. What's your name, brother?
James.
James what? Huh?
Crawford.
James Crawford. All right, let's walk over this way, Mr. Crawford. Right here's good?
Yeah. Hey, come here, man.
Okay. Well, I saw you put them there, so. Shoplifting with a police officer sitting in the parking lot? Ain't the smartest thing to do. Okay, well, we'll go find out. You got a receipt for these items?
Yeah, I do.
Where that?
Fill out my paper.
All right, we'll walk down here and find it.
What's the name?
All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find it.
Fill out my packet up. Oh, man, I ain't steal it. Shoplift.
Okay, well, that's just what they're telling me.
Ain't nobody see me steal nothing. Nobody see me steal nothing, man.
Sorry. John or Jonathan?
Jonathan Crow.
Johnny Lee? I'm sorry, you're speaking a little mumbled.
What you mean?
What's your birthday? It was advised 7/14 of 94.
Bought no drink.
Okay, well that's what we're gonna look for. You said the receipts in this pocket?
Yeah, see, it fell out.
Oh, it did? Okay,
Yeah.
that happens sometimes. You got a transport car?
Yeah.
All right, let's walk you over here, Mr. Crawford. Oh, to this car.
You want to transport? Yeah. Damn, man. You put there and see me get. I ain't steal.
All right, well that's what we're gonna find out. Just have a seat.
Hold on,
Oh,
let me get that from back there. Sir.
Go ahead and run a criminal history once you get a return certificate.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're good, brother. All right, have a seat.
Terry versus Ohio governs the detention. Personal observation is the strongest possible basis, requiring no tip, no witness, and no corroboration. The basis must exist at the moment of the seizure but need not be explained simultaneously to the subject, though stating it immediately is best practice. The pocket search sits at the intersection of three doctrines. Jimeno, if the subject's receipt claim is read as consent. Terry, if it began as a frisk, though reaching inside a pocket exceeds a pat-down unless Dickerson's plain feel exception applies. Or Robinson, if the arrest had crystallized when the transport car was called. Graham versus Connor measures the force threat against the wall by objective reasonableness. A subject who refused to stop and was reaching into his pants presents a legitimate concern. The threat is defensible but calibrated higher than the encounter ever required, since the subject complied without physical contact.
If y'all just want to ride them over the store with me. Just ride them over there. We'll talk to them and see what they want to do.
Dispatch has been updated. Dispatch has been updated.
Go ahead. I don't need him. He's $10.95. Just let me know when you get the criminal history up.
How you doing?
Howdy, howdy. So this is what he had in his pocket. Who's the manager?
Right there.
All right. You want to prosecute?
Yep.
All right.
Go to jail.
Good. I love it. He's going to jail. So, were you the one talking in the parking lot? Were you the one that came out?
Yeah.
All right. So, in the future, I would say we don't have predictive ability to know when crime is occurring. So,
Okay.
easy thing to be would just, hey, that guy shoplifted, and as you see, I'm going to go
I
get
didn't
him.
see you.
And I'm,
I didn't see you.
Oh.
I was
well, fair enough. All right. I'll just need a value on these drinks. All right.
okay. They're,
I'll tell you right quick.
They're 40. They're dollars something.
Well, there ain't no price on them, but ain't no.
Wait a minute. I know 20.
I hate to. I went to jail over the damn dollar.
Hey. Well, past that though, you don't know how many times he's.
Exactly.
How many times he's shoplifted and how many times it'll happen. So,
Probably got a shop there direct.
$1 piece, so $2. All right.
No, it would be $1.
Oh, 50 cents a piece. Gotcha.
50 cents a piece.
I hate it,
You want
but
me to ring it up?
no. That's good. I just need to get your name and birthday, please.
Oh, I got it.
I'll let you write down. That way you ain't got to say it out
It's
loud.
okay. It's Belinda Nash.
That makes you 28
Yeah.
and a good phone number.
Oh, you want this one or you want that?
This will be fine.
Okay, 706.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. We'll take care of it.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, Ms. Nash, do you want to bar him from your property? Yes. Yes, you will not. She's coming out the barn, and she wants the 1095. So, if y'all just transport, I'll take the report and do the ABR. Hi, Mr. Johnson. This is the manager, Miss Nash, of the store. She's got something to tell you real fast.
You're not allowed in my store for 2 years on this property. If you do, I will call the police and you.
And what do y'all control?
We just control
The
this.
store? All
Yeah,
right.
but your whole goes as the whole property.
Right.
No,
Right. Right. Thank you, ma'am.
I
That's.
don't feel sorry for nobody when they steal it.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.
You should do.
I've been had them in my.
No, you did not. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you ain't got to discuss with him.
Well, you have a better day. Stay cool.
The officer earns a B- for observation-based probable cause and on-camera evidence collection, offset by disproportionate tone, recorded satisfaction with the arrest, and the subject's name wrong 3 times. The subject earns a D. The store manager earns an A for a clear prosecution decision and a trespass ban delivered on camera. 3 lessons. A detention explained immediately protects the officer more than the subject. because silence on camera looks worse than a brief statement. Everything said on a body camera is evidence, not conversation. And Atwater draws a bright line, but not a wise one. So discretion to cite and release still exists when the arrest costs more than what was stolen. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.